Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and on today's video we're diving into a fantastic guide on how to refresh your carpet using the Vax Platinum Smartwash Carpet Cleaner. I will also be sharing with you some essential maintenance tips to keep your Vax Platinum Smartwash running throughout the year. So if you're new here, my name is Alice and I post fashion, lifestyle, interior and DIY type of content. So let's get started. So this is the carpet that I'm going to refresh today. I normally clean my carpets after 6 months or 3 months. Do let me know in the comment section below how often you clean your carpet. One of my readers sent me a question asking me whether the cleaning solution was being dispensed from the solution tank, and I'm going to quickly show you the amount of cleaning solution gets used when cleaning. So here I am marking a line to show you the current amount of the solution that is in the cleaning tank, and then I'm going to go ahead and clean the rug, and then I will come back and show you the amount of cleaning solution that has been used. With this Vax Platinum Smartwash Carpet Cleaner, it comes with the solution tank, which mixes the cleaning solution with the water and removing the hassle of measuring the solution separate like the previous carpet cleaners. So here's the solution tank. As you can see, the amount of the cleaning solution that was in the tank has reduced. That was the initial place where the cleaning solution was, and now it's at the bottom. I'm just going to go ahead and mark where the current cleaning solution is at. As you can see, that's the amount of cleaning solution that has been dispensed. But if you feel like the cleaning solution tank is not dispensing properly, just make sure you stick all the way to the end, as I will show you tips on how to clean the cleaning solution tank and make sure that the cleaning solution is being dispensed properly. And here's the clean refresh rag. It looks amazing, it looks clean. I'm happy with it. So I also went ahead and refreshed my other rug. You can watch the full video of how to assemble your carpet cleaner, clicking the link above. And here's the rug, and it looks nice and clean and is not as wet as the other carpet cleaner that I've used, and it used to leave the rug soaking wet. So I'm happy with this. Here are some essential maintenance tips I'm going to share with you on how to keep your carpet cleaner running smoothly for years to come. So here I am cleaning the solution tank and making sure it's nice and clean and there's no blockage or anything that might block the cleaning solution from being dispensed. Just use warm, clean water to do this. And here's your solution tank, nice and clean, ready to be assembled into the carpet cleaner. Then I went ahead and did the same thing to the dirty water tank and clean it and make sure it's nice and clean. Then I went ahead and assembled the dirty water tank ready to be put away. Then I went ahead and cleaned all the brushes, getting rid of any dirt and thread that might be on the brushes, and make sure the brushes are nice and clean before you put them back. Then I went ahead and cleaned the cover that covers the brushes and making sure there was no dirt in place, and it was nice and clean before I put it back into the carpet cleaner. And here's my brushes and the cover ready to be put back together. And then I went ahead and poured clean water and a little bit of soap, ready to just clean the whole carpet cleaner. I used a piece of cloth just to make sure I clean each and every area of the carpet cleaner using the soapy solution. Just any area that might think you might miss out, you might have to turn the carpet cleaner upside down just to make sure you clean every place that needs cleaning. If you're new here, thank you so much for tuning in, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do so. And also you can hit the subscription bell so you get notified every single time I upload a new video. So this is the place where the solution tank goes in. If you feel like your solution tank is not dispensing this solution, you can just go ahead like what I'm doing here. I'm using kitchen towel and just soak up all the water that might be sitting on it. And there's also a filter in there, so you can decide to wash that filter using clean water, and that should do the job. The best thing about this carpet cleaner is easy to maintain, and the triggerless design makes it amazing because you don't need to press any button to dry or to wash. And apart from it being bulky and a little bit expensive, I love this carpet cleaner. And then I went ahead and put back the solution tank. The filter design is also on the clean water tank, so you can do the same. You can drain it and making sure is nice and clean, or you can just go and wash it in a running tap water and just place it back, as what I'm doing here. Then it's time to assemble your Vax Platinum Smartwash carpet cleaner. Here I'm putting back the dirty water tank and also sliding in the clean water tank. The brushes are very easy to put them back as there's no tools required to do this. As you can see from the design, it's very easy to identify which part needs to go to what part, as this part needs to go to that side and the black side needs to go on the opposite side. It kind of slots back in with ease, which makes it user-friendly and easy to clean. I went ahead and did the same thing to the other brush and slot it back in. I also put back the brush cover by just slotting it in. There you have it. Your carpet cleaner is nice and clean, ready to be used for the next time you want to use it. If you're planning to buy Platinum Smartwash carpet cleaner, apart from the price, it will be the best decision that you've ever made. And for those who already have the carpet cleaner, I would like to hear from you. What is the best part about the carpet cleaner that you like? Do let me know in the comment section below. If you find the information useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do so. And thank you so much for watching. I will catch you in my next video. Bye for now.